SDK.finance. In this video, we'll see how to perform a top-up via Cash Desk. To start, the individual needs to enter the top-up amount and select the wallet to credit. After choosing the cash option, the user will see a list of all available cash offices in the system, along with a search function. There's also an option to locate the nearest cash offices, so the closest ones to the customer are displayed at the top of the list. Once the cash office is selected, the system shows a confirmation screen with the requested amount, the applicable fee, and the total amount. At this point, the top-up via Cash Desk request has been successfully created. Please note, the user's account will only be topped up after the cashier approves the request. To do this, we need to sign in as the cashier. Then, we'll need to get the request ID for the operation we want to approve. To retrieve it, we use this API to view all Cash Desk operations available for the logged-in cashier. In the API response, we'll see the operation initiated by the individual, along with the ability to copy its ID. You can apply filters in the request body, such as status and operation type. In our case, the operation type is Cash Desk Charge, which corresponds to a top-up via Cash Desk. As shown in the response, the operation is listed with the correct amount and a pending status, meaning it hasn't yet been approved. We now copy the request ID from the response and use this second API to approve the operation. Here's how it's described in Swagger. To approve, simply provide the request ID in the URL path or API parameters, as shown. After calling the API, the operation status changes from pending to processed, confirming that the top-up has been approved. Now we can return to the individual's account. Here's the balance before the operation. After refreshing the page, we see the updated balance. The top-up has been successfully applied. The top-up via Cash Desk transaction is also listed in the transaction history, so the user can review it anytime.